Day 1. Light and Separation. In the beginning, before anything existed, the earth was formless and empty. Deep darkness covered the abyss, and the Spirit of God hovered over the waters. Then, with a word of command, God said, "Let there be light." And light appeared, dispelling the darkness. God saw that the light was good, and separated it from the darkness, calling the light day and the darkness night. And so, the first day came to an end. Day 2. The firmament and the waters. God then said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it separate the waters from the waters." And it was so. God made an expanse, a space, that separated the waters under the firmament from the waters above it. God called this expanse sky. And the second day ended. Day 3. Dry land, seas, and vegetation. On the third day, God commanded, "Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear." And the dry land emerged, and the waters gathered, forming the seas. God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it, according to their various kinds." And the earth obeyed, sprouting all kinds of vegetation. And the third day was completed. Day 4. Luminaries in the firmament. God continued, saying, "Let there be luminaries in the firmament of the heavens to separate the day from the night, and let them serve as signs to mark sacred times, and days and years. And let them be luminaries in the firmament of the heavens to give light on the earth." And God made 2 great luminaries, the greater light to govern the day, the sun, and the lesser light to govern the night, the moon, and also the stars. God set them in the firmament to give light on the earth and to govern the day and the night. And the fourth day came to an end. Day 5. Aquatic creatures and birds. On the 5th day, God said, "Let the waters teem with living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth, across the vault of the sky." And God created the great sea creatures and every living thing with which the water teems and that moves about in it, according to their kinds, and every winged bird according to its kind. God saw that it was good and blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and increase in number, and fill the water in the seas, and let the birds increase on the earth." And the 5th day ended. Day 6. Land animals and the creation of man. Finally, on the 6th day, God said, "Let the land produce living creatures according to their kinds, livestock, creatures that move along the ground, and wild animals, each according to its kind." And it was so. God made the wild animals, the livestock, and all the creatures that move along the ground, each according to its kind. God saw that it was good. Then God made his masterpiece, saying, "Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky, over the livestock and all the wild animals, and over all the creatures that move along the ground." So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God he created them. Male and female he created them. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and increase in number. Fill the earth and subdue it. Rule over the fish in the sea, and the birds in the sky, and over every living creature that moves on the ground." God also gave them every seed-bearing plant on all the earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it for food, and to all the beasts of the earth, and all the birds in the sky, and all the creatures that move along the ground, everything that has the breath of life in it. God gave every green plant for food, and it was so. God looked at everything he had made, and indeed, it was very good. And the 6th day concluded. This narrative is not just a description of events, but a declaration of God's order, purpose, and power in the creation of all that we see and experience. It is a fundamental basis for understanding the relationship between God, humanity, and the universe.